see?
Pagans!
Where will they be? Easter Bunny gave us a lot. You see one? Maybe there's one here. Picky. Put the bridges. Ah. Why did Easter Bunny find here?
Sweetie, don't sit up there.
But I found it there. When it was there. Doktor. Vilken skalor?
Which one is that?
Who did this at Manda Baza?
Maybe it was the Easter Bunny.
No, it was
No,
not.
I think it was. They were in the sun and they melted.
Ah. Not in there.
No?
You see one.
I don't know. Maybe. It's a nice bicycle.
You see it.
Have you looked at the bicycle? Do you want a bicycle like that?
Yes.
Yeah?
Maybe there's one here.
Ha 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 ha.
Puitan. Also, look yung ruto sa pula.
Maybe it's from last year. I don't think we need to move all the flower pots. No, it's not. Oh, look! It's your Star Wars ball. That was a good find. Huh?
No.
Aren't you happy you found that?
Yeah.
It looks like an Easter egg,
Yeah, I know.
doesn't it?
This one didn't look at that.
Well, he probably found it and put it there.
You see one? Huh? You see one? Huh?
Maybe.
Yes.
Maybe, but I'm a little taller than you guys, so...
You see it. Is it a little bit higher?
Well, you might need some height to see it.
We can look. Where? Can you show me? Where? Huh? Mommy.
It's somewhere where we eat.
Somewhere.
That's it. I think you found it.